Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox keeps crashing on mobile. First, ensure your internet connection is stable, whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak signal can often cause unexpected app closures. Next, try a simple restart of your mobile device. This can clear out any temporary software glitches that might be affecting the app's performance. Finally, always check that your Roblox application is updated to its very latest version for optimal stability. If basic steps don't work, dive into your app settings. Clear the Roblox app's cache to remove any corrupted temporary files that could be causing crashes. If that doesn't help, consider clearing the app's data, but remember this will log you out. Also, ensure you have sufficient storage. Aim for at least 2 gigabytes of free space on your device, as low storage can severely impact app performance. To further optimize your experience, close all other applications running in the background. This frees up valuable RAM for Roblox, preventing crashes due to memory constraints. Make sure your device's operating system is also up to date, as system updates often include performance improvements. Additionally, try reducing the in-game graphics settings within Roblox itself for a smoother, less demanding gameplay experience. If you've tried everything else, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox app is often the most effective solution. First, uninstall the app, then download and install it again from your app store. If the problem still persists after all these steps, it's time to reach out to Roblox support. Provide them with detailed information about your device and the specific issues you're encountering for the best assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.